Mami Mao Akwaba Eba Ghana SMTVGH and say happy new month to you also. Thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing, thank you for following us, and thank you for commenting. Thank you so much. Ebusianfo. Sorry, that I'm misbehaving. But you see, Ebu Boba. Ebu Boba. And the reason I know, say, Ebu Boba ni say, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Or we need 2024 election based on an impression created, say, yen MPP4 led by His Excellency Nana Akufo-Addo. Yen pese yen sign sa bill parliament a pass ye yenim as moamonem say restrictions bebre aba YouTube no so na ye katwi nso a omo AI a omo ni kyerɛkyerɛ mu enti eba no sansen bi saade a yentimi kan mentimi bodin and those things and yes video no enkɔ anim na say mu nyampo hu hwɛ enti you know bill asan maker na sa bill asem we no sometimes I am surprised say NDC 4% still more surprise almost fanya asem but the breaking news I have rejoined news ebani say John Mahama His Excellency say on sign the bill no now make sure later why he doesn't want to sign the bill but before then no my uncle Akufo-Addo era no so Parliament pass bill no unanimously. If they say omunyina ebomeka say yes ya pass it. Omo pass bill na nkrofo bi dwane ko Supreme Court. Na Supreme Court a omo call ye no. Omo di relief bi eko. Number 1 is say omo pe injunction on Parliament transmitting sa bill no to the president. Kire say Parliament clerk no oni tumi a odi sa bill no e de backup omampani nanim first demand no male injunction second injunction say bill nankasa no nsem ho enti be ya Supreme Court enka say unconstitutional tientungu na ya kyerɛkyerɛ mu no Supreme Court etina asem no so by the time we pass judgment na yet too late Akufo-Addo administration and His Excellency John Dramani Mahama nkasa ba bonti beka say after election no ebra Catholic bishops ekonichenk beka say sa bill no it never reached the table of President Nana Akufo-Addo ono ajo Mahama na kai December 2024 after winning the election and now me who say I don't understand why NDC for even after winning the election we still want to use her at the end edit the Ghana for. Now let's come to the current bill. Current bill NDC for Mr. Omar pass no. Bill no nyamie nim no krani. Omwa sisan nyama maku 31 ewa bill nemu. Omwa dilute bill no to the extent say the bill Parliament pass here and Akufo-Addo na omudi ko ma Akufo-Addo no enye sa same bill na omudi ko ene bill omudi ko no weak enye hwi bill omudi ko ene no ase omo pass no kire se me na me hu se ebia me ye gay metimi akopɛ lawyer se lawyer no fa me court na ombom na enko court na enko pe say ade na mo pe say omo ha ma adwin say me gay ana. That is the kind of law no. Meanwhile law mo pass na Akufo-Addo kire say untimi nya sa to mempo ni sa motivation mpo sorry say wo ko akopɛ lawyer say we ye trumudini. Right? And the difference be brewum to the extent say Speaker of Parliament Alban Bagbin Krabeka say na bill say man ka chem say mun pass bill no me ka say just look at the bill and consider it. Speaker Babin Bekai because who says sa nneɛma no nneɛma sa 31 changes a mo yɛyɛ no ɛmboa ɔmo speaker NDC ni who say ɛmboa. Now John Mahama His Excellency catch there say ɔno ɔmampe John Mahama no on sign bill no, and a joy news breaking news and say anti bill still far from becoming law. Mahama flags quorum and procedural concerns. Also, even the diluted one, and yes, said I need the already do my up on my penny for the son signing. A new crown pon was through, so best signing. I'm going to say, I grown a area and I say, Biza. Sa bill no obiasro because ewo implications ewo ma or mine no your mind bia ye depending greatly on AIDS. Say be mo free amanoni eba no ye depending on it. And it's all ko pass bill bia e say on say bill no enko kati with chances. Now, she said, you'll be uncle fast and uncle Koto, in Junction Bianiho, but Mampinaka Catcher say, or no, or who say quorum, Pana Parliament, not quorum, no, Nancrophone, no, Namusanib, Namu approve idea. The number of people that are supposed to be there, no, na or money, or your day. Your debut now, bro, signing. We are Bema signing a shabby. A comma bedding crofo Krumhano. A comma bedding crofo Krumhano. Enya easy. Easy. And now penny catch a minute will say on signing bill na parliamentary procedures ni process na. Osuro. He's afraid. Because when he signs this, the economic implications on you and I. I don't condone with Sanya Maniema no. Me, oya bema na obey me se ope me. Me bo asumbia. Who bema ope me? Me hunam di din say de ope. Ebra ma wo ho a omuhu fe kefs a kefs nufo to ope me bema. Who ye bema ope me so ope me bema. Me bo asumbia. But man penis ru on signing. You say bill no mun be ko parliament bill. Na ma delay. Mu de mun bibi. Ebusianfo baby bia wo Ghana ha bia. Se ope photographers omunim juma. Ebano editing, twa pictures, cameras, akese, lenses, akese, drones, ni bibia ope bia no. A touch of the way photography for. Naba was screen so esa wo contact say yeah, a wedding, funeral, birthday party. And I say asase bimpo na wo na ope say wo hia drone video, ni drone pictures of asasina. But modern say wa contact the touch of the way photography. Bebia upe so omo ye juma no ma e Ghana ha bebia no. Omo ye claro na omo ya ma. And omo ye very 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 affordable so upe so ye birthday photo shoot. What more manoni person surprise you be with a birthday photo shooter. Very important. But modern say only touch of the way photography for wedding komo. And they catch them say Ghana Sem TVGH4 and I recommend it. Once when I can say Ghana Sem TVGH4 and I recommend you mupe when you have the special discount.
Development kura ni ho. Kuro bia omoye NDC stronghold no. What they compare kura to Abama MPP a. Kuro no MPP aside ne far better. What you say? And me so what typical village kura o Ghana no. Obia ebia kura omoto Abama NDC pa na yesi obi MPP ni o hwa na o dim the difference wom. Nti chese ye kuro Ghana no ewo ho no. Nkrofo bebre adwen no wuhu se de omo si dwen fa me se o de opa president Kofo penso na Ekufu Ado penso enema eye o de yenka se ye ni nyina Afri Ghana na ehwe de Ghana be sa nkrofo bi betna ho na omo de atro ensem hunu nko a na omo e de keka me se enne o pese o trend wo social media o je control se DMB 2028 o tro DMB 28 ube won say full soldiers no obeba say abedi nkwasi asem. You understand? Enti look enema na omoye no Sam George na amano waham Onama no waham te sɛ deɛ ɔbaa a ɔnyem no wobɛtena hɔ sɛ wo Ghana mmara yɛ pass in 2024 wo ahyɛ de ama MP bi wɔ Kenya na sɛ ɛyɛ papa saa a adɛn nti na wayɛ amendment mo more MPs for parliament adɛn nti na moyɛ amendment because mo wɔ upper hand wɔ parliament nti there wasn't any need for any amendment but ɔmo de Ghana fo adwene na edi agorɔ. You see, nti ɛma obiara nyina baabi nka sɛ ya pass or parliament nti Mahama will assent to it. He cannot do it. Ɔnyɛ mpo because wotie nkasaeɛ no you see NDC foɔ sɛ wahyɛ ɔmo nso a sɛ ɔmo ɛpɛ sɛ ɔmo yɛ biribi a they try to put something out there. Wei yɛ aba yɛ sure sɛ nkyɛ ɔmo bɛkye MPP ni bi na ɛde abrambram so that's what they're going to do. What you say? Nti sɛ woyɛ obi a wodwen hwɛ kan paa wodwen deep a wobɛhu sɛ NDC ɛyɛ full of settings. Time bia ɔmoyɛ biribi de daadaa nkurɔfoɔ adwen that's what they do. What you say? Na me Mahama menim obi a ɔsɔ Mahama nsa baa Ghana politics mu time biara ɔbɛbɛn Ghana akonnwa biara nneɛma a ɛnsi Ghana. What you say? Nti ọbaa na ɛne sɛ na yɛnya experience a president ɔte akonnwa so nwu da a papa no ɛde firi mu no o second time abaeɛ na helicopter timi ahwe ase ama ministers bɛyɛ deɛ ɛwɔ hɔ nko a woyɛ di ni papa wei bɛba bia ɔbɛba Ghana akonnwa so biara nsɛm akɛseɛ June 3 2015 nsɛm akɛseɛ nko a na ɛsi wɔ Ghana. You see, and I said nobody seems to care. The man is cursed. Mahama has nothing to offer Ghanaians. What do you say? But ubenya nkrophobia tibonkosophobia. Oya na abampapa aba. Mese oti amanone na wo send this car ko Ghana na. Ube hia sika bebree no asende. And so still you said the sika na ode kɔ Ghana no enye the opposite ye de no entumi nye and the rent kosoro sese bibia kosoro even a ton of milk kra 2024 no na milk tin of milk is 7 cedis and then 13 cedis 14 cedis now catch them say what $1 so no why you see na che say omo propaganda ne atro na minim de Ghana for ni bidwen. You see intimidate me as some American say look MPP nyame yɛ adom na 2028 ɛsan ba mu a saa gyae ma ne nka ma ama yarga mogyegye double salary a yɛgya a ɔmo nenam hɔ a ɛnɛ ɔmo di nsɛmhunu ɛwɔ parliament no obi a wayɛ me say the next MPP government there was here yɛtimi former president bi a yɛakyɛ no yɛaremande no for police custody because ɔmo so aka nsɛmfo ne bi pɛn. A whole president a former president a oka say a whole tribe eye sakawafo ene president nia ewo gold kind say mind the whole Ghana ye gold no ye de ama no
Sunday no podi Ghana for na makwan ma nesi Ghana for na makwan ma sade nesi.
You see me say the next MPP government the ba sa Ibrahim de ne beja ma wontumi
Idi agu Ghana ho kra
wontumi onye togoni na me ka say look it is about time say MPP communicators any ade ye de me na sepo bia beto nchen na ya ma omo hu enema bone ne adada omo dada mfutu omo tugu Ghana for any no we have to let them know so na chese odwen ho a wonte ase and speaker a whole speaker of parliament so no or nyawe say na they were going to pass any bill.
What I read is it read say he said they shouldn't pass it. That is what I read online today. He says I asked them not to pass it.
Now, so who instructed them to pass it?
It foretells say as I didn't know a state.
Nana Baben said Tio me patromunti Baben said no or the instructing Jai say they should deliberate on it. Okay. they are okachre or mono, or said you no nimono. And the president no soon said the last report to Nyawa Hone and then they say there are certain things to be a woman. And yeah,
You need
and
some
on top
evidence,
of it,
yes.
no, quorum, and then all these things, yeah, air coso. You understand? So basically, the leadership in parliament, to save the shame of their party, conjoined something to just deceive their supporters and Ghanaians, and now the reality will come because the Akobe, I know Mahama will not sign it.
Oh,
Sign
Minia,
it. They
Ukasa
almost
Wakabiamo.
they are preparing a month. Almost prepare a mind. Say,
Felix,
Yes.
Ukasa Wakabiamo. It's staged. They staged it. Mina Mekajreo. So almost said them yes, I don't know.
Mahama needed local say or best side because or no more in bed. Mr. Mahama and the number of women are almost a gay for. Why name? Everybody knows this. What you say? There's no way. Or science and yanku own to mean sign as I deal with. But you
Okay.
see, omo ye bibi so that no more can say, oh, nanka prepare na bibi nti. Once a chananko, once a benyo beer or best idea court. Na ya drag ya na 2028 aba na ye koto aba na pese asem de na semko. You see, so go with them bia omo true Ghana for any. Omo the Ghana for abi di akro.
Minia,
What you
me
say?
still time or seconds be me patrol. Say, no, may come a gun. We are asking now to say, President of this America, Ham. On person, because I say no. Inti na Ghana for through some best science and can summary of this no some sign. Because on non to so sign man so. Want to mean some can say IMF binti, IMS conditionalities binti. And then almost look around. Make you want to because papa your tissue in person me body. O ti sadi we kokoko. Inti ni pen so anko wa be na o se sign. Obi obeka jo say e na we num breath enye no kre. Omo tissue say no. Omo mpekra day in day out. Omo chichi omo hwe. E ya mo hwe CNN ne ade ade. E bia mo nya sa US stations in na mo hwe ntia. Ne me ko so a no nya agro.
You see,
Nti
inti
no.
me dem announce no.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, me dem announce me pese me kase look. NDC ankasa no, they came upon us. Nansa ya na ọmụ asịsa ọmụ propaganda secretary ọmụ ya no communication secretary so mo nkansa mo ede na ọmụ ye ọmụ de atro ọkọ a yesi ade na white akasa red. That is what they were doing. You see,
Yeah.
nti what they me de mano besi na mama obi